Okay, I am talking about the Navigator again. Navigator had changed yet again. So you can still see when I'm casting and stuff, that's fine and dandy. But they changed a few things, okay? First of all, this is Navigator itself now. Of course, you'll have quick controls if you want, but they also added a few things, okay? They added the ability to turn the quick controls on and off type thing. They also added the ability to see the battery life here instead of having to see it way up here. They made it so the camera app is right here, so you'll have quick access to it, which is very good for us content creators. I wonder if you can change that in the future. They made it so environmental options is here. So you can go to pass through, and then if you're in pass through, you can hit go to home. I mean, go to immersive home. Remember I told you before how you had to double tap in order to do it? Well, they changed that now, so you don't have to do that. And it is daytime, so the whole thing is working a lot smoother with my hands and whatnot. Oh, and they added a filter thing, okay? Remember, that was one of my big gripes too. So now you can filter by all that you have installed. Like it will literally just have what you have installed first, presumably, and then that's all. Just what you have installed. And then you can also update, like, if you have any that need updates, although alternatively, you should be able to go to downloads and see that as well. Then we could just go to all, and yeah, the filter, I do like that option. Then the not installed, you can check out, see if there's anything you want to install out of the ones you don't have installed. You can even sort by recent A to Z, Z to A. That's good. And, you should be able to still, if you so wish, I mean, of course, we gotta get out of that. We will keep it on recent. You should be able to long press. Oh, wait, no, you don't long press anymore. There's the icon below it that lets you, hide it or pin it or lock it or whatnot. Whereas before, we can go into see detail and it takes you to the store page. If you do want to buy this, definitely this game in particular, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for, if you're watching this while this video is live, for 20% off. It will be 10% off after January of 2026. And if you want to see gameplay of this game, I actually have gameplay on my other channel, Vamp Plays. I'll put a link in the description below to said video where you can watch it if you so wish. And then if we go back here, you would see there's another option here that hits show windows. So it literally will take you out of there as well. Like if we had windows open anywhere. Like, I guess we should open a couple windows so we can actually do the thing. Okay, so, and then we will open a store window. and then we will open a browser window, okay? And as you can see, it takes you out of, it put this in front of the windows, which I'll be honest, I do like it, very futuristic. But we can hit show windows. And then I also am curious about something. If we anchor this here and then go here, the anchor thing disappears on us, unfortunately. But if we go back to show window, the anchor thing is back. Okay, that's good. That is good. We anchored that once again. Show window, anchor disappeared because it's on the same plane. That's why it's doing that, in case you're curious. Yeah, I'm guessing, if I had to guess, that would be why. Let's put this back here in the window. And then in theory, it should show it again. Yeah. Okay, I think this is a lot better of a system, okay? I do like this a lot better. I was slowly getting used to the old Navigator, but this is a lot better. And what's cool is that you guys can actually see when I'm recording the thing. Now, in game, also, are these more high res? Like these icons? I feel like they're higher res, right? Am I going crazy? But yeah, I like this a lot better, okay? I like this a lot better. You can still, like I said, click on here, change the volume, see all the details and stuff. As you can see, I'm recording this yesterday. Yes, I'm recording this yesterday because it's not going up till tomorrow as of now today, but it is yesterday when you guys are watching this. Yeah. Okay. And then we can just easily get out of it. Before we had to pull some weird shenanigans and whatnot. So yeah, I just like this entirely. I do like this. And then presumably we can still do the whole thing with, presumably we can still hold our hand up and go to that. It's a bit finicky at times. Oh, and it took us right back there. And yeah. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of this system, okay? I do actually like it quite a bit, and we could still move it around as per usual. And yeah, I think that looks better, more futuristic and whatnot. And yeah, definitely let me know what you think of this. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.